Welcome to Follow Me Draw. Today we're drawing a star. You'll need a ruler, paper and something to draw with. Start by drawing a long line in the middle of the page. Next, we'll draw a line going across. You should now have a big cross on your page. Now we're drawing two diagonal lines. You might need help from someone older. These lines won't be as long as the first two lines we drew. Here my dad's helping me hold the ruler. Make sure your lines go through the center. Next, we're going to draw some smaller lines. In between the lines we've drawn so far, draw short lines going through the center. There should be 4 lines. Try to make all your short lines about the same length. Now we've got all these lines drawn, it's time to do our outline of the star. To help you draw the outline, you can put dots on the end of all your lines. Then you can connect your dots. You could use a ruler again for this part. Draw a line between one dot to the very next dot. Once you're finished, it should look something like this. My dad went over the outline with a black pen. It's coloring time! You can color however you want. We chose to color one shape dark and the other one light. This makes it look a bit 3D. And here's the finished drawing of our star. Third Nephi chapter 1 verse 13 and 21. Lift up your head and be of good cheer. On this night shall this sign be given, and on the morrow come I into the world. And it came to pass also that a new star did appear according to the word. Activity idea. You can use your picture of your star and discuss together what signs and wonders you have seen in your lives. Thanks for joining us on Follow Me Draw.